Hi everyone, in this video we're going to look at solving simultaneous equations by a method called substitution. And in this method we usually use it when we've got something like this where we have y equal to something, because what we can do is take what y is equal to and put it into our other equation instead of y. So in this case I'm going to write out equation 2, which is 4x minus 3y, but instead of y I'm going to write 2x minus 3 because that is what y is equal to, and make that equal to 9. So we expand our brackets and notice that we've got 9 on both sides, so they cancel out. So we end up with negative 2x equals 0, and so x must be equal to 0. Once we've got that, we take that answer, put it back into our original equation instead of x, and so we get y equals 2 times 0, which is 0, minus 3, which is negative 3, and that's our other possible answer. So when we get to this stage, it's important that we check that our answer is correct. So we'll put it into the bottom equation. So we'd get 0 minus 3 times negative 3, which is positive 9, so it works for that other equation as well. We know we're right. Now sometimes we want to solve this using our calculator, and in this case I'll just write out our equation over here so that we have that to work with. So in this case we go to equations, so that's this symbol here, and we select F1, which is simultaneous, and there are a number of unknowns. There's x and y, so there's two unknowns. Now it's asking us to have the x term first and then the y term and then equal to a constant. So that's good for this equation, but for our top equation it's not in that format at the moment. So what we want to do is rearrange that top equation. So equation number 2 is fine. Number 1, we need to rearrange it to write the x term first. So that would be 2x minus y equals positive 3. So now we can put the coefficients, just the number in front of x and y, into our equation. So for equation number 2, I'll do that first. We've got 4, negative 3, and 9. And then for our second equation, we've got 2x, we've got negative 1y, and we've got 3 that it's equal to. And that gives us those two solutions, x equals 0 and y equals negative 3, which is what we found by the substitution method. So when you're working through these exercises here, I don't really mind whether you use substitution method or your calculator. In your internal you'll be using your calculator, so you might want to use that. Otherwise I'll let you get on with that. Thank you.